Hi everyone. I wish you all a very happy Testers Day. My name is Sumit Mundhada and I am a test automation professional. Before we begin, let me take this as an opportunity to thank all my seniors, mentors, colleagues, and friends for their great support and encouragement throughout my quality assurance and test automation journey. On this special occasion, I would like to talk and share some of the qualities which are very good to become an effective automation tester. So let's see what are they. The first and the foremost quality is remember that automation testing is just one of the branch from your overall testing. It cannot be isolated. One should be very good with the functional testing before becoming a successful automation tester. Understand your product domain knowledge is very important. Second quality is always focus on ROI driven automation. Ask yourself a question: what are you doing? Why are you doing? Does it really gives a benefit from your automation? Finding a defect and focusing on the product quality is the most important factor here. Keep a reality check for all your automation. See if they are providing the benefits or not. Then you have to have a solution provider mindset. Everyone has a problem, but be a solution provider. Talk on the solution and you will see the difference. Source of knowledge is very important. Now, how to get that? Surround yourself with great people, communities, and forums so that you can learn from the best and you can learn quickly from others' experience. Another quality is don't get trapped in the tool game. Tools should be at very later stage. One need to use and select a tool based on various factors, right? So check the requirements, decide your end goal, perform feasibility checks, and then once you select a particular tool, then invest in learning and you will see desired outcomes. Another quality is the processes are very important. If you don't have any processes, create. Now, why we have a process? Every tool, languages have a defined set of processes. We need to trust and follow them. It is just to help us for creating a robust automation script. Remember, if the basics and the processes are wrong, say for example, XPath, you're not using the best practices for XPath. Any tool which is going to provide you the automation scripts at end, if it doesn't follow the best practices, your scripts are going to have a lot of maintenance. So processes are very important and one need to follow them. And if there are no processes, then we need to create them. And the last, very important, there is no shortcut to the success. We have to really invest our time in learning. Practice is very important. So keep learning, keep improving, and always remember a word, Kaizen. So thank you for watching. I wish you all once again a very happy Testers Day. And keep learning, keep rocking, keep shining. Thank you.